Your house is not an asset.
Yung common connotation na nadidepreciate ang condo.
Laging merong client na
Magda-down. Hindi naman kita kilala. Marami talaga akong questions about acquiring a condo, honestly. These doubts will be answered. Our guest today is really close to my heart kasi parehas kami ng hilig sa musika. From being a video editor, a graphic designer, website developer, and a multimedia expert here in the Philippines and abroad for 18 years. And one day, nag-spark yung dream niya at interest to become part of the real estate world. She may be new to this industry, but her achievements is comparable to an experienced one as she had closed multi-million deals in 6 months and counting. A loving wife, a mother, a dear friend of mine, a property executive specialist, Miss D. Medina, also known as Ahenteng Ina! Good morning! Grabe, alam mo nung nalaman ko that you've closed that amount of deal in 6 months, sobrang na-amaze ako. And really, sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba, sobrang nakaka-proud. Kasi if you're gonna take a look back, nung unang-una pa lang tayo nagkakilala, isa ka rin sa mga top sellers. You know that, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, isa sa mga reason, or should I say, nung nasa network marketing pa tayo, di ba? If you can still remember that, laging sinasabi ng mga clients natin na parang, or yung mga possible prospects, ba't ako magsasign up sa'yo? Ano ba napatunayan mo?
Yes.
Right? Or kaya sasabihin nila, bakit ako magsasign up sa'yo? So, o kaya babalikan kita kapag kaya na yung kinikita mo.
Yeah,
di ba?
exactly.
Usually it happens.
Yeah.
Dito sa real estate world, sa current industry that you're being with, nakaranas ka na ba or naka-encounter ka na ba ng ganyang client?
Of course, in any endeavors I get into, laging merong isang client, at least one, na magda-doubt sa kakayahan. And it's normal. I think it's normal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tipong objection na, hindi naman kita kilala eh. Bakit ako magsasign up sa'yo? At saka, ang dami namang mas expert sa'yo at mas
Exactly.
experience. Bakit ako sa'yo magsasign up,
Yeah.
diba? And if with that being said, coach, paano mo hinandle yung ganong klase ng objection? And what happened?
Okay, so first of all, any doubts are valid, no? Kasi syempre, even in yourself, minsan nagda-doubt ka rin sa sarili mo. But the first thing you have to do is to know your product. Know what you are selling. Importante sa lahat kung ano ba talaga yung binibenta mo or yung ino-offer mo sa client. So, the first thing you have to do is, of course, research. That's the important thing. Believe in yourself na kaya mo. Kasi kung ikaw palang magda-doubt sa sarili mo, what more sila?
Precisely. Pupunta ako dun sa next doubt ng isang client. Another question would be, bakit ako bibili ng condo kumpara sa isang house and lot? Kasi, like what I have mentioned to you, ako honestly, mas gugustuhin ko mag-house and lot. So, bakit I'm gonna choose condo?
Okay. So, actually, that's the most common questions that I receive from my clients, no? Syempre, we all know that we are now living in a modernized industrial community. Why condo over house and lot? Well, condo kasi offers a lifestyle upgrade na tinatawag. Okay? So,
Lifestyle
we're
upgrade.
now merging into another level of living. Kumbaga,
That's right.
modernized. Sabi nga nila, ang lupa na uubos, pero ang tao dumadami. So, developers now are really into acquiring a lot and then having it as much as possible na matirahan ng mga tao. Condo offers a lifestyle upgrade.
And I've heard once guys, sa isa kilala ko din, sabi niya darating daw yung panahon, mahihirapan na daw talagang kumuha ng property yung mga tao. And
yes.
because of what you have mentioned, coach, na mauubos yung lupa, pero yung tao dumadami
And
doon.
that is just one point, okay?
Precisely.
So,
Yeah.
ang major point namin dito when we are selling condominium properties is, one thing is convenience.
Convenient.
Mostly, hindi natin yan nakukuha when you have a house and lot. Exactly my point yung mga distances between essential establishments. Maybe yung house and lot na nakuha mo is far beyond the city. Kasi yun na lang yung mga available right now eh.
True.
Diba? Mostly provinces,
probinsya.
yeah, outside of Metro Manila.
True.
But your work is in the central business districts. Yun yung mga target ng mga condominium developers. Like, you have to be in the location. Number one.
Yeah.
Location is the key.
Napaka-importante. Kasi most of the time, ang mga nakikita nating in-offer na house and lot, talagang malalayo ni, di ba? And napaka-importante ng proximity and location. Another question, coach, if that's the case, okay, I'm gonna choose condo over house and lot. Pero di ba nadidepreciate yung condo? So, paano natin masasabi sa client that it is really a good investment? Kasi na nadidepreciate yung condo po, di ba?
Alright. So, connotation ng marami, nadidepreciate yung unit mo.
Yes.
Okay? But the market value of the location where it stands lands appreciates more than you think. Kasi time by time nagde-develop. That's one thing na maganda sa mga developers, especially with RLC residences. Ang mga location ng mga condominium properties nila are really in the market.
Okay, sinabi mo that this is a good investment, na-appreciate yung value in due time, right? Bakit ba mas mahal ang condo over house and lot?
Actually, when you buy a condominium, it's an investment jackpot.
Oh, why?
Yeah, why? Because of course, yung convenience.
Okay.
Number 2 is the security. Because syempre lahat ng condominiums ngayon are equipped with CCTV cameras,
Yeah.
24/7 security services, RFID access. Yung mga residentials lang ang makakapasok. Maybe not into the lobby itself, but on the floor that they are that they are living in. So yung security, number 2, napaka-importante niyan. Well, I'm not saying naman na hindi naman lahat ng house and lot hindi secured. Oo. Lalo na yung mga talaga executive villages. But you know, in the building itself, nandun yung roaming na 24/7 ng mga securities, and you have that equipped na mga CCTV cameras. Plus, in RLC residences, I am happy to say na lahat ng developments namin are now smart home featured. So we have the smart door locks na tinatawag. So you have your key card, the passcode. You also have the biometrics. So
Kompleto.
doon pala, kompleto na. Yeah.
And I believe sa mga condo units ata na ganito, Coach, correct me if I'm wrong, yung mismong keycard mo is just for that particular floor. Kasi
Exactly.
di ba sa elevator, hindi ka pwedeng mag-roam
Hindi
sa
ka
iba't
pwedeng
ibang
mag-roam sa
floors.
iba.
I believe this is also one thing that I love about condos.
So condominium, as I've said before, it's an investment jackpot. Why? Because of course, yung convenience, security, plus the top-notch amenities that we have.
If that's the case, Coach, kasi if you can still remember, di ba, sabi nga natin kanina, being part of network marketing before, may nabasa tayong libro,
Yeah.
right? From a known author, sikat na speaker. Ang sabi niya rin sa libro niya, getting a property is a liability.
Yeah.
How can we say that it is not when it comes to getting or acquiring a condo unit?
When you have this kind of lifestyle upgrade na, eventually you'll turn into business, in a rental business. So yung condominium units mo, it's not just a liability. But, and of course, habang tumatagal, as years go by, or actually months nga lang nag-a-appreciate ang value ng condominium properties. So, pwede ka rin mag-resell na tinatawag, or flipping.
Flipping is a real estate investment strategy where an investor purchases a property with the intention of selling it for a profit rather than using it.
You've mentioned na pwede siyang maging rental in the future. You were able to answer my next question, kung paano siya magiging investment, paano magiging beneficial.
Oo.
We are saying, Coach, that getting a property is not really a liability.
Not really. Yes.
We are trying to at least break that kind of doubt and question sa mind ng marami
Yeah.
na pag kumuha ka ng property, liability pala to eh. So, marami tuloy tao, Coach, na natatakot na kumuha ng property.
Kasi most of the people, lalo na yung mga traditional, when you say you will have a property, it's like their resting place na That's their sanctuary. The after ng work, doon na sila uuwi, parang ganon. Resting place. But for now, dahil nga modernized living na tayo, we have to innovate.
Kailangan in-innovate.
Kaya
Go ahead, Coach.
I add din that condominium properties, kaya mas mahal siya and mas promising kesa sa, traditional house and lot because of the amenities that
It's being offered.
Yes.
And nasabi mo nga, Coach, normally ang mga tao kaya nag-acquire ng property, whether it is a condo or house and lot, yun na kasi yung resting place nila. Yung parang sasabihin na nila na it's either kapag nag-retire ako or at
Yes,
this
exactly.
particular
This is just
age,
mine.
kailangan may ganito na ako. Or parang actually it's an award a trophy, di ba, sa isang tao. So, if I'm gonna acquire, let's say, a condo or someone will acquire a condo, yung mga nakakapanood sa atin, how long naman ako pwedeng magstay sa condo na to?
Ang pinaka-connotation naman ng people dyan is the building will only last for 50 years.
Yes.
Right?
Tama.
Pero no, because of our new technologies now, laging nag-i-improve ang ating engineering developments. Here in RLC Residences, our properties are perpetual ownership na. Meaning,
It's nice.
so, meron siyang continuity. Kumbaga, pwedeng i-inherit ng mga next in kin mo.
So, meaning to say, Coach, kasi ako, honestly kami, ang iniisip talaga namin when it comes sa building, may specific number of years ka lang na pwedeng magstay, di ba? So, with that new technology that you're saying, with RLC, hindi natin yun dapat intindihin.
What we have to think of is how to improve our unit every now and then para mas maging enticing siya, lalo na kung nasa rental business ka.
Ayan, so Coach, provided na nasabi mo na nga siya na perpetual ownership, which is para sa amin, sa mga nanonood, especially ako din na marami talaga akong questions about acquiring a condo,
Okay.
honestly.
Understood.
And sobra akong na-enlighten dun sa part na may ganun pala.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon, idinidiscuss kasi siya,
Exactly.
right? And that is also the beauty of having this kind of conversation with an expert like you. Kasi talaga na-enlighten kami, pati yung mga viewers natin. And kung may perpetual ownership pala, coach, knowing na convenient siya, hindi ko kailangang magbayad ng amilyar yearly. Sobrang hirap din kasi talagang mag-maintain ng house and lot.
Exactly.
Meron kasi akong house and lot somewhere in Cavite, and ang hirap niya na kailangan palinisan, kailangan bantayan, tapos syempre, may mga araw na kailangan mo siyang puntahan dahil magbabasted yung ganito, nasira yung ganito.
Yes, oo.
So sobrang daming kailangang asikasuhin, right? Parang minsan mapapaisip ka talaga na, magkondo na lang kaya ako. Ano mo yun?
Diba?
With all of the things that you have mentioned already, coach, what else can you offer?
So aside from benta-benta, selling condos,
Yes.
syempre hindi ko kayang pabayaan yung mga clients ko. So always, ang RLC Residences kasi, always up to customer centricity. Wow. Yung customer service namin after sales is one of the most important things that we do here in RLC Residences.
And you've mentioned, coach, yung after-sales service. Napaka-importante niyan. Kasi
Yes.
most of the time, kapag ka nakabenta na, alam mo yun,
Oo.
nagbababay na yung
Oo.
agent,
Parang that's the end
pinapabayaan
of it,
na.
yes.
Oo. In fairness naman doon sa una kong agent, Kerry naman. Next, talagang hindi ko talaga ma-imagine yung pinagdaanan ko na stress. That's why it's really important and matters talaga sa mga clients, service na ibibigay
Yes.
ng expert na katulad mo. If that's the case, coach, ano yung mga after-sales service or experience na pwede nating ibigay sa isang customer or client?
Kasi itong acquiring, acquisition of any real estate property, almost a lifetime commitment yan eh. So kasama dyan sa journey mo talaga yung mga property specialists like us.
Yes.
From guidance ng mga offers ng mga units up to the point na nandun na turnover na sa kanila.
So yung application talaga kailangan
yung
on
application
time.
nandun. Kaya kaming mga property specialists is not just sellers. We are committed to assisting you to your dream investment or your dream house.
Segue lang ako ng isa pang question about that, coach, no? Kasi nga nandito tayo sa after-sale service. Kasi napaka-importante na yes, nag-down na si client, right? Tapos paano kapag dumating dun sa point na may mga hiccups along the way? How can you handle that for your clients?
Andyan kasi yung tinatawag naming mga designated departments to address kung ano man yung mga concerns ng client. So, don't worry, we will be assisting you. Our office naman is in Ortigas, Pasig City. I guarantee after-sales customer service for my clients, especially for those who are first-time buyers here in RLC Residences.
I can also guarantee here that Coach D can also assist you when it comes to that matter. Yung sasabihin niya sa iyo, hindi kayo yung magpa-follow up.
Yes, hindi sila yung mag-follow up. Actually, ako pa nga yung nagre-remind.
Grabe, Coach, sobrang daming nasagot na doubts and questions for this particular interview. Maikli man to, pero sobrang dami, sobrang meaty ng ating discussion. Maraming questions na nasagot, and yung mga doubts bilang isang buyer, yung mga doubts ko, lalo na sa pag-acquire ng condo, I really appreciate all of the things that you have mentioned. And ayan mga kanosi, Coach D here already break those ultimate doubts. Naniniwala ako na ikaw na nanonood ng video na to still have more questions in mind. And kung may mga questions ka, syempre pwede nating tanungin ng expert natin dyan. Paano ka ba namin marireach, Coach D?
Ayan, before I go into my details, let me say just the parting words na lang. No? I can share my mantra with you guys. For those who are skeptic or hindi pa sila masyadong confident to get into real estate industry, my mantra would always be, if you'll never try, then you'll never know. Diba? Sa lahat ng ventures, ganun na lang. So, para malaman mo kung you are into this business, might as well put yourself into it.
Precisely.
Diba?
Yes.
Anyway, guys, you can reach me at Facebook page and my TikTok. That's so easy to remember. Ahenteng Ina, to let me know what you are looking for. How can I help you? We offer ready for occupancy projects in RLC Residences, as well as pre-selling for those who are interested in investments.
Mga kanosis, you'll just have to click the link na ipaprovide namin sa caption. And also, you can visit her Facebook page and you can also follow her TikTok account. We believe that everyone deserves to be treated well.
I
Kaya,
believe that too.
that is also one of the reasons why we are so honored and thankful to have Coach D here sa aming YouTube channel and for this particular topic, because we believe there's a lot of questions about acquiring a property,
I know.
condo or house and lot
Marami
man
pa yan. I am so open for all of your questions, guys. And to know more about civility, appreciation, and customer service, please follow Nosy Rosie in all her social media accounts.
And just like what I've mentioned, everyone deserves to be treated well, and si Coach D will be there to treat you well. And that's all, mga kanosi. Maraming salamat. Have a great day and God bless.